Are you facing a situation where you wanted to purchase a property? You executed a Banakhat, also known as agreement to sell. The agreement to sell is registered, but ultimately the seller of the land or a building is refusing to execute a sale deed in your favor. In such circumstances, when you have moved to the property, you are holding a possession, the provisions of section 53A comes to your rescue. It is a provision which is called Doctrine of Part Performance. So once the agreement is part performed, it will protect your possession. And in such circumstances, you can file a suit for specific performance. But mind well that such suit is required to be filed within 3 years. And you should not wait, because ultimately there is always a hanging spot that the owner of the land may try to evict you. And therefore, immediately upon filing the suit for specific performance, you should also file a necessary injunction application where the owner, the so-called owner of the property, can be restrained by the court's order to evict you from the property. Mind well that such circumstances are to be avoided. First of all, you have to do the valid title search of the property, and only when you are clear about the title of the property that you should execute such kind of the sale deed or the Banakhat. But in circumstances where the owner of the property, after executing a Banakhat, is not signing the sale deed in your favor, you can definitely invoke the provisions of section 53A, and that will come to your rescue by the competent civil court.